Otter.ai transcribes and organizes meeting notes for professionals. Let's begin by exploring connecting to Google Calendar. Set up Otter.ai by configuring meeting settings. Next, sync your meetings by connecting Google Calendar. Then, grant Otter access to your Google Calendar. After that, check your email to verify your account. The next feature we'll cover is recording a conversation. On the Otter.ai dashboard, click Record. Next, a live transcript appears. After that, return to see the new recording card. In the next section, we'll explore how playing an audio works. Select suggested questions to see AI-generated answers. Next, view detailed responses for follow-up questions. After this, let's walk through editing a transcript. Edit your conversation transcript. Update the first sentence. Save changes and open comments. Add a new comment to the transcript. Following this, we'll move on to chatting with AI conversation. Select a suggested question. The AI provides a detailed answer. Following this, we'll move on to connecting to Slack. First, click Add Next to Slack. Then, authorize Otter.ai on Slack. After that, return to see Slack connected. Finally, confirm the Slack connection and sync your calendar. Following this, we'll move on to updating a meeting setting. On the dashboard, access the Share link. Next, select a channel name. Then, save your choice. After that, the meeting notes are shared with the channel. Following this, we'll move on to Outline. Access AI chat assistance for conversation insights. Next, view a structured outline summary. Then, expand sections for detailed conversation points. Now, let's explore the next topic, copying a summary. Copy the meeting summary, then see the confirmation of successful copying. Next up, let's take a closer look at copying an answer. First, click the AI's response message. Then, select the copy icon. Finally, the message is copied to your clipboard. After this, let's walk through sharing a conversation. Share your conversation easily. Next, add recipients in the share modal. Then, customize your message. Finally, confirmation shows success. The next feature we'll cover is marking an action item as complete. Mark your action item complete. Then, see no pending tasks. The next feature we'll cover is disconnecting an integration. Click Settings to manage Slack integration. Next, disconnect Slack on the Settings page. Then, confirm to disconnect in the modal. Finally, Slack is disconnected, and you can re-add it. Now let's explore the next topic, searching Otter. On the dashboard, click the search field. Next, the search bar activates. Enter IELTS to see results. Right next, let's check out filtering records. We're on the dashboard. Next, choose My Conversations. Then, view the filtered list. Up next, let's discover how renaming a conversation works. View the meeting summary. Next, check the transcript. Then, return to the summary for further actions. Coming up next, we'll dive into adding a highlight. Select text, then click Comment. Next, type your comment and click Send. Finally, see your comment displayed. Up next, let's discover how adding reactions works. Select a part of the transcript. Next, click the Add Reaction icon. Then, type in the search field. After that, choose the heart emoji. Finally, see the emoji added to the text. Right next, let's check out commenting to a script. View the meeting transcript in Otter.ai. Add a comment to a specific line. Enter your comment in the input field. Post the comment to see it in the sidebar. Following this, we'll move on to adding an image. Add an image to your meeting transcript. Image successfully embedded in the conversation. Next up, let's take a closer look at deleting a comment. First, click the Summary tab. Next, select the Comments tab, then open the three-dot menu. After that, confirm deletion by clicking OK. Finally, notice the comment is deleted. Moving forward, let's see how deleting an answer is done. Click the More Options icon. Next, select Delete Question and Answer. Finally, the chat is deleted, ready for a new query. Next up, let's take a closer look at restoring conversations. Select all conversations in the trash. Choose to restore them. Confirm the restoration action. The trash is now empty, and restoration is successful. The next feature we'll cover is moving a conversation. Select Move from the options. Next, choose the destination folder. Then, see the confirmation message. Coming up next, we'll dive into sorting channels. Sort your channels by last update. Click to reorder them. Right next, let's check out reordering cards. Drag Overview below Action Items. Drop Overview here. Sections reordered, publish changes. Coming up next, we'll dive into hiding a sidebar. Click Record to start. Then, view your transcribed conversations. Coming up next, we'll dive into notification. View recent conversations. Check notifications for updates. In the next section, we'll explore how updating a template works. Select a new template for your meeting summary. Next, choose a template from the drop-down list. Then, see the updated summary with new sections. Following this, we'll move on to updating an item. Open more options for candidate background. Next, update the insight name. Then, save your changes. Finally, see the updated insight with a confirmation message. The next feature we'll cover is giving feedback. Start on the meeting summary page. Next, choose the helpful option from the drop-down. Then, enter feedback in the text field. After that, submit your feedback. Finally, see the confirmation toast. Following this, we'll move on to giving feedback, transcript. Scroll through the transcript. Rate the transcription's accuracy. Submit your feedback. Your rating is confirmed. Right next, let's check out keyboard shortcut. Click the More Options icon. Next, select Keyboard Shortcuts. Then view the list of shortcuts. Coming up next, we'll dive into deleting conversations. On the main dashboard, select Trash. Next, click Empty Trash Now. Then, confirm with Delete Forever. Finally, the trash is empty and conversations are permanently deleted. In the next section, we'll explore how importing an audio works. On the dashboard, click Import. Next, select Browse Files to upload. Then, view your transcript after upload completes. Up next, let's discover how adding a member works. In the Product channel, Access Settings. Next, open the Members tab. Then click Plus Add Member. Enter the email address. After that, click Invite. Finally, return to the channel view. In the next section, we'll explore how taking a photo works. Update your profile photo using the camera. Next, capture your photo. Finally, save your new photo or choose another option. The next feature we'll cover is updating an email address. First, click the email input field to edit it. Next, confirm the email change. Then, type your password to validate. After that, click the Validate button. Moving on, click the OK button for email verification. Then, click the Done button. Finally, check your email inbox for the confirmation link. After this, let's walk through updating password. Click the Password field. Next, enter your old password. Then, enter new and confirm passwords. After that, click Change Password. Finally, password changed. Close the modal. In the next section, we'll explore how setting up two-factor authentication works. In the Security tab, click Setup. Next, choose an authentication method and click Continue. Then, scan the QR code and enter the verification code. After that, click Continue. A success message appears. Click OK. Finally, see two-factor authentication is now active. The next feature we'll cover is updating notification settings. Disable live meeting email notifications. Then, email notifications for meetings are off. Up next, let's discover how resetting password works. On the sign-in page, click Forgot Your Password. Next, enter your email, then click Send Reset Link. After that, check your email for instructions. Moving on, enter a new password. Then, click Submit. Finally, return to the sign-in page to log in. Moving forward, let's see how purchase a plan is done. On the dashboard, click the Profile drop-down. Next, select Upgrade Plan. Then, on the Subscribe page, enter the security code. After that, verify the payment form details. Up next, let's discover how logging out works. Click Logout on the dashboard. Next, see the sign-in page confirming your logout. Following this, we'll move on to deleting an account. First, click the Delete Account link. Next, enter your password. Then, click the Verify and Continue button. After that, confirm by clicking the Delete Account button. Finally, you're logged out and back on the home page. Otter.ai simplifies meeting notes for professionals and teams, enhancing productivity.